Hi everyone, this is Harshdeep and I'm the founder of Legitt AI. So recently we launched updated version of the editor in the application, which we think and many of our customers they have the same feeling is one of the best AI native editors they have ever worked with. So I thought I'll give you a walkthrough of what this editor is, how it works, and what are the capabilities. So when you land on my work after logging into the application, majority of the key activities that you would want to do, you can directly launch from this dashboard. So since we are talking about the editor, so you can launch it. There are a couple of other channels also, or the user journeys from which you can launch the editor, but you can access using create. So once you click on create, on the top you would see the formatting, um, say various functions. You can change the font size, bold, italics, couple of other important formatting capabilities. Just below that is are three options. You would see template, which you can use templates that have been uploaded by you for the entire organization. So org templates are those which can be used by anybody in your team. My templates are user specific, which have been uploaded by you and only you have access to those templates. And then are the Legitt templates. So we have around 500 plus templates available on the platform, which you can pick and choose. Say, for example, you click on Legitt template, say you are creating a marketing agreement, just click. So all affiliate marketing program, co-branding agreement, influencer marketing agreement, so all these options will come. You just pick and choose one of them and start editing. The second option is to upload a document that has been created by you outside the application, or somebody has sent that document to you, so you can upload and start editing that document. Next is generate with AI. So when you click on generate with AI, so you can actually chat with the agent Lana and create the document that you want. See here, if you see, there are two options. One is draft, one is ask. Ask is you can chat with Lana for advice. You can chat with the document for finding the information that you're looking for. Draft is which helps you in drafting the document. So let's start exploring these capabilities one by one. Say, for example, let me just pick up a template, say advertising sales agreement, or maybe let's try to create a very simple NDA, okay, joint development agreement. Click on continue. So now what it does is it pours all the content of the template onto the editor. So you can, all the variables which are there in the template are highlighted as yellow. Okay, so you can click here. Say, for example, I want to update the date to today. Save. Wherever this date is there, it will be updated in the document. Say party A is Legitt AI. Click on save. Wherever party A comes, it will be updated. Similarly, say for example, a legal jurisdiction, Delaware. Click here, it will be updated. You want to update the address. Similarly with the second party, say the second party is NASA. Click here, it'll update. So next what you can do is either update these elements one by one, these variables, or you can ask Lana to update this on your behalf. Say, for example, you want to update the signatory, you want to update the address of a party, you can do that. What is important here is you can, if you have captured this information. So for example, what happens in certain organizations is the person who is engaging with the customer or the party with which we are creating this document, they note down this information maybe in a notepad or an Excel sheet, or maybe it's just going around on the mails. So what can do is they can just type it out here and it'll update the document accordingly. So once you have created this document, uh, and uh, you've filled in all the variables, now you want to kind of check with Lana that, okay, can you help me improve the termination clause? Okay, click here, it'll tell you that, okay, term and termination, these are the details which are there in the document. Okay, this version now it has updated, certainly based on the details. Here is improved clear version, so it'll give you the details. And you can, what you can do is, now if you want to update this in the document, just copy it from here, go to draft, can you please update the termination clause with the following details. Okay, so just type it out here, paste, and what Lana does is it'll go through the document, revise the entire document, and update the termination clause as you have mentioned here. So it takes a few seconds, it'll update, and I'll show you how you can identify. So it is updated this, but what happens is, once it's finished updating the document, just give it a few seconds. I want to show one detail here. So when it has updated the document, say for example you're scrolling the document from top down, you will come to know it is highlighted that this clause has been changed just now. Okay, so or you can directly ask from here that, okay, can you change the, or update, let me say update signatory for Legitt AI to John Smith. Okay, just click here, give it a few seconds, it'll update the document. And when you see, because first party we had mentioned here Legitt AI, so that's party A. So term and termination has been, as we changed earlier, it is highlighted. And if you go down for party A, John Smith has been changed and highlighted. So this is a beautiful way of creating the document. First you pick up a template, maybe your organization's template or from Legitt AI, whatever information is required, mandatory is highlighted in the color yellow. You update all these, or chat with Lana to update this information. Or if you want to further improve, you can just chat with the agent here, ask it questions, how to improve certain clauses that you are on the safe side, and then update it in the document itself. So next, what we are doing is, in next version, you, instead of copying it and then again pasting in draft, it'll give you the option right here that update this in the document. And when it updates, it'll highlight that, okay, these are the details that we have updated. So now you save the document, and a lot of additional functionalities will come here. For example, you can add signatories, you can add collaborators within the organization who can edit or comment on the document. Or there is somebody who just wants to see the copy of the contract, you can update that. And you see this workflow building here. So all these details, we'll go through these details in another video. Today's video was to show how you can use Legitt AI, the new editor, in creating a document using template. Thank you. Take care.